Okay, we got the rest of the potatoes dug today. These on the left are the first ones that we dug. And these are the second batch that we dug. The second batch is only about 20 to 30 feet, if that. These over here were about triple that amount. These over here, we put extra straw on the bottom, or extra hay, I should say, on the bottom. And then we put the potatoes and then the hay on the top. These, mainly we had the hay on the top of them and laid them on the ground. The ones with more hay under them actually did better. We found several really big hills of the potatoes with multiples in there, just like you would normally find if you planted potatoes. And I mean, we have some pretty good sized potatoes in these. Are they all pretty? No. Are they all big? No. These aren't either. But overall, with the weights of both of them, it was right at 30 pounds of weight. But, guys, I planted 70 pounds of seed potatoes. So I did not get back what I planted. But I learned a lot of valuable lessons. Number one, I need a fence up to keep critters out. Number two, if this was a drier year, it would work better. I'm not going to do exclusive planting this way again, but I'm going to keep dabbling with this until I figure out exactly how this is going to work, because the concept is too good not to use. But that's my thoughts on this. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video.